start with the new topic. Today we learned the different types. We have studied the statistical function and mathematical function. Today we use the text function. How we use the text function in MS Excel? Just do this process. Let's start. First, just type here the heading's name or function's name. That is the text function. Text function. Why we use these types of function? Because these types of function we commonly use to just modify or manipulate the text with the Excel software or our data on worksheet. Just see here. Here we just type here that is a len function, and we use why we use len function. Just see here. If we have text like this, hello, how are you? And if you want to just count the number of letters in this particular text, just press is equal to and just type len function and just start the bracket, select the cell, and after selecting the cell, just close the bracket. You will get the number of letters of this particular cell's value. Just see there. You can also count there 5, 3. Whenever you count there, it will be 18 in numbers. Okay. So that is the length of your particular text cell values. Next one we use upper. What is the meaning of upper? It means uppercase. Whenever we just want, for example, just here, we type here a small letter like this, and we want to just capitalize this letter, we use the uppercase. Just click here, press is equal to this type, upper, and start the bracket and select this value and close the cell. You will get the uppercase value of this particular cell, the serial. Here we get it is the lowercase and we get the uppercase. Similarly, if we have an uppercase value like this and we want to just make it lowercase case, then we use which function? That is lower function. Just press is equal to and just type lower and start the bracket and select it and close the bracket. You will get the lowercase. For example, just see there. Here we type capital letter hello. What we get? We get the small letter in this particular sheet. Just see there. Here we type hello. Clear? So what we get? We get hello in a small value like this. Just see there. Here is the capital form and here we get small letters. Why? Because here we use lower function. Understood? And we have a title like this. Yes. Computer education. Computer education center. And if you want to just capitalize the each word of this particular string, then we use the proper case. That is the proper case means the title case. Each word of your sentence is in capital form. The starting letter is in capital form. Just see there, we use proper function, PROPR proper, and just select it, and you will get the title case of your selected text. Just see there, each word first character will be the capital or capital form after using this proper function. Okay, and here we have a value like this. Here we have a value in this manner like this. And if you want to just find out the specific numbers of letters in this particular text, then we use left function. Why we use left function? Left function provides the facility by which we will get the character from the left side of the selected cell value and just type the number of character you want. Just here we just type 5. So it will count from the left side 5 letters, that is from A to D, and we will get the 5 letters from this text value, the center. You will get the 5 letters from the left side. Just count here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to just 3 letters, just type here 3. You want to just 4, just type 4. You will get the 4 letter from the right side and from the left side. Understood? Similarly, if you want to just value from the right side, just type here some value like this. Okay, and we want to just get the value from the right side, we use right function. This press is equal to and just type right function and start the bracket and select the cell and press comma and just type the number of letters you want to from the left, from the right side. So there is 6 letters. Just count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 52001815 is the letters we find out we get after using the right function. Understood? So whenever we need to count the number of letters from the right side and we want to just place or want the value of the particular text from the right side, we use right function and just also type the number of letters, how many letters you want to just show off or you want to get. Okay. And what is the use of mid function? Mid function provides the facility by which we will get the number of letters from the mid of our text. Just see there. Use mid function and just select this cell and press comma and just type the starting number. Here we want to just start from the third letter, just type 3 and just counting the number from the third letter and you will get the 4 letter from the third position. Just see there. 5, 5, F, 5. You will get the 4 letter from third letter. Just see there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after pressing that, we will get the letters from the mid of this particular value. Understood? Any query?
Yes.
Any query? Just see there. Next function, after using mid function, here we have another function, that is trim function. Trim function provides a facility. We just remove the extra space from the text like this. Hello, how are you? So there are so many spaces between the words. So we want to just remove these extra spaces. We use the trim function. Just use is equal to, just type trim and start the bracket and select the value and just close the bracket. You will get the trim value. Just see there. Only a single space between the value, between the word, is it allowed. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to the next function, that is the trim function, and after that we use concatenate function. Concatenate function. It provides the facility to collect the multiple cell value in a cell, in a single cell. Just see there. Here we had typed just 2015, and here we type August, and here we type some roll number like this. And we want to just add or collect all the values by using concatenate function. Just see there. Concatenate function is use concatenate function. After starting the bracket, just select the value like this, comma, select another value, comma, set third value, and close the bracket. You will get all the value in a single cell by using concatenate function. If you want to just add some your text between this particular value, just press comma and use double quote to insert the slash, and again just press comma and use comma. Again just type slash and comma, and you will get the slash between the cell value like this. You will get this types of format by using concatenate function. Understood? Next function here.
Yes, sir.
Next function, that is the value. Why we use value function? You see here, value. We use the value function if you want to only the value from the particular cell. For example, just see here, that is the 5,000. And here we add some currency symbol by using this. So there is a symbol comes with the value. And if you want to just remove this symbol from this particular cell value using the value function, just type value function and start the bracket and select the value and just close the bracket, and you will get the numbers only, not the symbol. That's the use of value function. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
we studied under the category of text function. There are so many functions also available there. And that is the last function, that is here we use char function. CH here, char function. Why we use char function? If you want to just find out the character of the particular set of characters, here we just type 156. So 156 character number is a symbol of that. This symbol indexing is 156 according to the programmer ASI code. That's why we'll get 156 code. Symbol is this, and we just change the number like this. Here we use 1, we will get like this. Okay. So if you want to just find out all the characters, here we use the function like this. Just type here the number 1, 2, and from 1 to 255 characters, just drag it like this. From 255. 255, and after getting the number 255, just move out on the first cell of your sheet and just type here is equal to char function and start the bracket and select the value like this and close the bracket. And when you press enter, you will get this symbol, that is the code of one symbol. It will show this symbol, and when you just drag down or just double click on this particular section or just drag down, it is very easy method to get all the value by using this function, and you can easily identify the code numbers of the letter. Just see there. There's different letters count with a particular number. If you want to just this symbol, then you have to code use 128. Just see there. Here we use char, which what is the number? Just check the number firstly. The number will be the serial. If you want to just this symbol, that is the 197. Just get the value 197. You will get the angstrom value in this particular function. Just see there. Here we use 197. 197. We will get the angstrom symbol. Just see there. You can easily identify the numbers of the particular symbol, and you want to just add a special character in your Excel sheet. You can get this character by following the character function. Understood? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Let's go with the next function. So here we start with the next function, that is the logical function. That is a logical function. Why we use logical function? Let's see there. We use logical function. Here we use logical function. Just type here logical function. Okay, and after that, that's using the logical function. There are so many functions available. That is and, or, not, and if. Okay, so how we use these functions? Just see there. And provides the facilities. For example, we have two values, that is pass and paid. These are two values. Okay, and if we want to just analyze the value, is it true or false? Just see there. Just press is equal to this type and function, and here we select this value and just press equal to and just type double encode and use pass. Okay, if this condition match with the particular cell value, it will show true, otherwise it will show false. Just see there, press is equal to and just type page and close the bracket and just press enter. You will get true. Why? Because the both are the values match with this particular entered value. If we change here, that is a fail, what happened? We will get false. Okay, so according to AND function, both conditions should be true, then it will show true. If any condition is wrong, then it will show false. Understood? So condition and function
Yes, sir.
by which you will get the true and false value according to your entered value. Okay. Similarly, we'll go with the next function, that is OR function. OR function provides the facilities by which we can get the value either true or false after analyzing the condition. The serial. Here we use OR function and just select this cell and use equal to and just type here pass and just press comma and again select another cell like this and press equal to and just type here paid. Okay. So if any condition is true, then we will get true. Just see here. Here is a fail, but it comes true. Why? Because the condition is that only a single value it will be the true, then it will show true. If the both values are not matching with the function, then it will show what? False. Just see here. Here we will get false. If we get false. Why? Because both values are not matching with this particular values. Okay, that's why it will show false. Any condition will be the right, then it will show true. Just see there. If you just type pass, it will show true. Understood? Clear concept? And here's a not function. Why we use not?
Yes, sir.
Why we use not function? Just see there. We use not function for the analysis. Just see there. Not, press not function and use this particular value and press is equal to and just type here fail and just close the bracket. Okay, So why it is show true? Because there is not matching with the fail condition. Here we just type fail, and here's the pass. Here is not matching this value. That's why it will show true, because we use which function? Not function. It means the value will wrong, then we will get true, and value will be matched, then we will get false. So here we just add fail function, just type fail value, we get the false. Why? Because it is matching. And here we use not function. It means it should not be matched. That will show true. So here we just type pass. Then we will get what? True function. Because in this function, not matching in this particular value. That's why it show true. Okay. And why we use
Okay, sir.
why we use if function? Just see there. If we have a value like this, 350 or 300, or we want to just calculate if the cell value is more than 300, it will show true or it will show pass, or otherwise if it will be less than 300, it will show false or fail. Just see there. Press is equal to and just type if and just select the value like this and press greater than and equal to 300. Just press comma and just type your value, not only true and false. You just type your own value for the true condition. So here you just type here pass. Whenever we just write the text in the function, we always use double inverted commas. Just here pass and just press comma and again just type fail. Okay, and when you press enter, you will get pass. Why? Because it is equal to and greater than 300. When we decrease the value, we will get fail. Okay, so that is the use of which condition? If condition. Okay, and
If condition.
here we use and if. How can we use and if function? The serial. Firstly, just you have a condition like this and just serial. You just type result and here just type fee. Result pass and fee paid. Okay, and here we use the
Yes, sir.
function, just type if and use and function and just press bracket start and just select this value and press equal to and just type here pass and just press comma and just select another value and press equal to and just type here page. When the both condition match, then we get the value that is good. We enter here the if function value and just type here bad. Okay, so when the both cases will be matched with this, we'll get the true value. Whenever it is true, it will be true, then we will get good. If there is missing, then we will get bad. Just press enter, we will get good. Why? Because both conditions are matching with that. Okay, and here the our desired here, it means user defined value. That is the user defined value. You can type here your own value, not only true and false. Okay, that's why it will show here good. When the condition will be true. If here we use fail, it will show what? Bad. Understood? Next, we use the if function with the or function. See there. Here we use or function and similarly just select this value like this and here we just type here pass and press comma and again select this value and press equal to and just type here paid and close the bracket and after closing the bracket just type your value here, just type your good and bad. So whenever a single condition will be true, it will show what? Good. If the both condition will be false, then will show bad. Just see there, it is unpaid. What happened? We'll get the bad value. Why? Because both conditions are not matching with this condition. If a single condition will be matched, then will show good. Just see there, here we use pass. Okay, the condition will be good. Understood? Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir, I don't have a doubt.
So this is the function of if. How can we use not function with the if? Just see, if we type if and just type here not and start the bracket and here we only add a single condition. If it will not match with that, then we will show true. Just see here. Here we just press equal to and type here that is fail and close the bracket and here just type good. And after that press comma and just type here bad. what will it show? It will show good. Why? Because it is not matching here. That's why it is a true condition, and it is a true condition that will show good. The serial will get good. If we here use fail, that will show bad. Okay. So these are the functions by which we can modify our values in the text, sorry, logical function and text function. Understood? Any query about this?
Yes, sir.
Query? Any query?
No, sir.
After doing this, you just practice all the content, and after practicing this, just give me your notes and I will decide is it true or right or wrong. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any query about it? No query?
No, sir.
Just do this process. Okay, here.